Hello, I'm Matt DeSarl, a commercially licensed drone videographer. Do you need a drone videographer to produce the next video for your business?
Whether a group shot of your entire team or regional beauty shots to show off the area you serve, we are licensed pilots with lots of video production experience. We produce welcome videos for company websites. Our crew creates virtual tours of Airbnbs and other event spaces. We even produce full-blown documentaries for local organizations. Don't have time for a video shoot or the weather is too nasty? We have a full library of local beauty shots to tap into. Visit allbusinessvideography.com to see affordable video production options, including commercial drone videography around Lock Haven. Because if your business covers all angles, so should your video marketing.